really feeling it. It's day 9 of Amiibogeddon, and it's time to open Shulk. Without further ado, let's get him out of the package. I'm waiting to do this one for a while. I had to get a second one from GameStop, and it was not the easiest thing in the world to do, but persistence did pay off in the end. Everything about this is awesome. The only thing that's not awesome is that I missed out on the sale for Xenoblade Chronicles 3DS when it was only $29.99 on Amazon. Would really like to use this in more than just Smash Brothers, but I'm going to have to wait. Not yet anyway, so my time will come. But in the meantime, I'm really feeling it!